private equity firms, Leonard Green and Partners and TPG Capital, are said to be in talks to buy a controlling stake in the Palms Casino Resort. This is a Bloomberg exclusive story. Cristina Alesci is out here in our newsroom with me on more. This isn't the first time we've seen Leonard Green and TPG partner up here.
Yeah, J. Crew, just recently. So this is a small middle market firm making big headlines because of their partnering up with TPG. They've also partnered up with TPG on Petco a couple years ago. So it's definitely nothing new. But Leonard Green is a middle market firm that actually in the boom times, 2007, raised a much bigger fund that they were accustomed to raising. So they got up to $5 billion. Now they're putting that money to work, and we see that with this deal, with the J. Crew deal. This deal is a little bit of a backdoor to an acquisition. They actually started up buying debt in the company, and then when the company couldn't keep up with its debt payments, they were at the front of the line in terms of who would take over in a restructuring type scenario. So this is more of a restructuring story. There's not a ton of money at stake here, but it is newsworthy because of the Palms itself is very well known.
Right,
so
and
it's another well-known brand that they're taking over.
The Maloof family that owns it, of course, very well known as well. Why would they want to get in the casino business here?
Yeah, that's an excellent question because Leonard Green has never done anything in casinos, so this is a completely new area for them. They've always done retail. Here you have a partner, TPG, who owned Harrah's. So you have a partner that has some experience. Maybe the thinking there is we've hit a bottom, and there's nowhere to go but up in terms of more people visiting casinos and gaming possibly recovering along with the broader economy. But I think it's more notable that they're actually partnering with someone like TPG, who's had a long history. Not really a successful one if you look at the Harrah's deal so far. They weren't able to take that public last year. So, there's a history here. It's questionable. But this investment is a completely different one than Harrah's. Harrah's, they bought at the top of the market, premium pricing. This, they're coming in restructuring at a discounted rate. So I'm sure that this is going to be a much more successful investment than Harrah's.
Oh, well, interesting deal. We're seeing a lot of private equity buzz in these first few days of the new year. Thank you, Cristina.
Thank you.